The Salvation Army plans to build a new facility and expand its services in Columbus. And the nonprofit's local leaders will do it through the Amazing Good Capital campaign, seeking to raise $8.5 million to construct a 22,000 square foot building called the Center of Hope. The Salvation Army has secured approximately $7 million in the private phase of the campaign, which started 2 years ago. The public phase to raise the remaining $1.5 million will be launched during a ceremony at 11 a.m. September the 1st on the campus at 1718 2nd Avenue. The Salvation Army has called 2nd Avenue home for over 80 years, Columbus Corps officers Captain Jason Smith said in a news release. The current facilities have served our community well by caring for our community's most vulnerable populations. A new Center of Hope will provide the space and flexibility we need to serve more people even more efficiently, meeting the needs of those in crisis and ultimately helping to lift people out of poverty. The Salvation Army provides emergency assistance, such as shelter for homeless families with children, food, clothing, rent, and utilities, support disaster services programs for youth and the aging. The new downtown facility will complement the Salvation Army's North Columbus facility, the 20,000 square foot Lovick P. Corn Worship and Community Center, 5201 Warm Springs Road, which opened in 2005. The Corn Center offers weekly worship services, senior outreach programs, after-school childcare, and a summer day camp. The Center of Hope is expected to open within 18 months of the spring 2024 groundbreaking ceremony.